I've just washed my hair. I've just gotten out of the shower right now. My hair is literally still dripping. And in case you're wondering, the moisturizing products that I'm using today are Cantu grease and a leave-in conditioner. And the leave-in conditioner that I'm using is the Shea Butter, Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner, and I've forgotten what exactly they call them, like specifics. I'm not really sure, but I've had them for such a long time that I just wanted to finish the bottles. The grease is what is making my hair this white or gray or whatever color it is. It's just it has a very thick consistency. Eventually, because it's oil, it melts and then my hair goes back to being color black, so that should not be an issue. The style that I'm going to be installing is actually medium-sized twists. I can't install the style that I want in my hair when it's wet, so I'm using the twist as a way to stretch out my hair and then also look decent, because the last thing that I want to do is go to work looking crazy in like weird looking damp hair. I detangle this hair before washing it, because I know that if I were to jump into the shower with my hair entangled or as a matted mess, I'm going to experience a lot more matting than if I was to simply detangle it when it's still detangled from the previous wash day. I don't know if I've made sense, but I start by braiding a 3-strand braid at the base of my twists, because that will help me prevent like that lumpy look that comes when you braid twists in huge sections, and you just start off by braiding the twist from the base. Those days I used to style my hair in mini twists, but I came to the realization that every time I styled my hair in mini twists when it was wet, I would get a lot of tangles. Also, like, it would get frizzy a lot faster. I would take a longer amount of time. Braiding these twists in big takes me about 3 hours, but when I braid my hair in mini twists, you guys, 6 hours. There were days I used to braid my hair from like 10 p.m. and I would finish at 6 a.m. Two times that happened to me. I would be so tired, I'd spend half the day sleeping, because I would sleep like at 6:30 and then I would wake up like at 11:30, and that is a wasted day. Just don't want to braid my hair in mini twists when it's wet anymore. So I prefer first to braid my hair in bigger twists, and then after that, when it's dry, I part the hair and section it out and then braid the hair in the mini twists when it's completely dried up. I didn't really know that I could braid the chunky twists and then make them look presentable, because every time I braided the chunky twists, I would braid them maybe when I'm preparing to wash my hair. And when you're braiding at that point, you're not really caring about neatness or like presentability. You're just braiding like for function, like for the braids to play like a functional role. And it was actually my mom who pitched the idea to me. She was like, you know what, like these mini twists that you're braiding, I don't really like the look of them. It's opened my mind to like the possibility of you can braid like chunkier twists and still make them look nice. But then in my head I was like, my hair is not really that thick. I have like thin hair, so I don't know how it will come out looking. But well, I went, of course, to the internet, Pinterest, YouTube. Then I looked at various people braiding chunky twists. The hair was kind of thicker than mine, but they made it look nice. So I was like, you know what? With a little bit of experience that I have, why can't I try? I thank God that I did, because I wanted a style that wouldn't take me long to braid. I didn't want a style that would take me 6 hours. And then I also wanted to braid my hair in chunky twists, but then make it look presentable and like work friendly, corporate friendly. I don't want to go to office and then look shabby. Now with this style, I know that this style can take me at least 2 weeks, and that is comfortably, like for 2 weeks I can have this hair comfortably and know that I do not look a mess. So yeah, at the 1 week mark, this is what the hairstyle looked like, and I wasn't too sure if I could finesse another week out of this style. So what I did was try to take it out, then air it out a little bit, and then I put gel at the front, like to put the hair back. And usually I do not like to put gel when my hair has been freshly washed, because gel flakes for me. And okay, maybe it's because of the gel that I use. I use Eco Styler gel, and it like leaves white marks at the front of my hair. But I just wanted to see what the hair would look like if I wore it for another week. And I was pleased. I was able to tie it up in this bun, but you guys, I just had an itch. While I know that the hair still looked good and it would have run me for at least 2 weeks 2 weeks is the maximum style. I wear twists, mini twists, medium twists, big twists before I take them out because then they start to get old. But I was just itching to take out this style and have my hair out. I wanted to wear another afro style, so sorry, I decided to take out the style. I just couldn't do it. It was just too much. I decided to take it out, and I'll see you in my next video.